What's going on? We got another tournament vlog for y'all today. It's a little later start. We had some real cold weather last night, and the day before it actually snowed, like 2-3 inches. But the tournament today is from 9 to 3 fish limit. We ended up paying extra $5 to try to see if we can catch the biggest or smallest small fish. See if we can win that. So we'll see if we can't win some money, but it's a freaking cold one today. What kind of weather we got today?
22 degrees.
Oh, yes, sir.
But you know what that means?
What does that mean?
Them biggins are gonna bite.
Yes, sir. But we're waiting to blast off. I think we got 10-15 boats again.
10 minutes till we go.
Got 10 minutes until we let the old 150 rip, boys. So we'll catch y'all on the GoPros. Hopefully it's good to us today. We'll catch y'all then.
We're fishing in Heartland one.
Yeah.
Anything you like? I think they're ripping more.
Big spot.
Oh.
Right here. Attaboy! Good.
Is it a spot?
No, it's a largie. I'll get him.
Okay.
I know he wasn't big when he hit it.
Was he up on the bank?
Yeah. Well, let's throw that rock. There's fish number one. Ain't no tooth patch. See if we can find his mama. Of course, GoPro ain't on.
Can't tell if it's good or not. It might be good. It's not good.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Well, GoPro wasn't on, but
Spot locked down. Oh yeah, he was going for the head kill.
oh,
God dang. Bobby, you weren't coming off, were you? Son, oh son.
one thing GoPro did not do good on, and that was their batteries in the cold.
Especially as far out as he was. If he would have been a little closer, then we probably could have squeezed in.
I think he was on a school something.
Oh yeah, because he wasn't moving.
Yeah. There's one.
Where's the net? Okay. You got it?
He felt bigger, but we do not discriminate in SS Loretta.
How close was he up there?
He was, you see that tree limb sticking out?
Yeah.
I bounced it off it.
The one furthest out?
Yeah, that little bitty nub.
Yeah. Good. I kill it. Yeah. There's one more.
Here we go. We got number 2. Nice little chunk.
Little head on it.
Bounced his Bounced the old crankbait right off that tree limb out there, and he smoked it. But we need to run down that way too. Seeing them sticks sticking up.
Wanna go that way first?
Yeah, let's go that way first. I do feel good though. It's only 9:30. Are these times right on these things?
What does that say back there?
9:27.
No, it's 10. It's 10:27.
There he is. Oh, it's really gonna
Oh shoot. Oh yeah. Oh, he's barely hooked. Barely. Oh my gosh, that's a good one.
Ready?
Oh yeah. Oh, he's barely hooked. Barely. Oh my gosh, that's a good one.
Ready?
Yes, sir. That's a good one. Got a little tangled up.
Get him. Yes, sir.
That's a good one. Got a little tangled up.
Yeah, a little cluster. God, it scared me. Hold on for you real quick.
Dirt, shallow.
Yeah. That's right off that tree too. I think that's our pattern we gotta roll with.
Yeah. Rocks. With a little.
Number 3. Rocks cold tag. Mr. Red.
Put it on the bottom. It'll stay on a lot better. Yeah. Like get like pretty low on his lip. Like right down in here. There you go. Yeah, it'll stay on a whole lot better.
Thanks. Last few I put on, they've been snapping off. I'm not used to that high dollar stuff. Number 3.
Yeah, you can see them. I don't know where they're at.
Yeah, see exactly where
There's
they're
no
at.
telling how many fish your crankbait goes by.
Oh yeah. Especially just think of how many fish like swim up to it and then just swerve off. Like that's what that 12-pounder did to me over there on the bank. My God. Freaking Moby Dick on the bottom right there.
Did you see that? I see that up here.
Yeah.
Got one.
Where at?
After hearing about this stick and rock, we caught that one on the spinner bait.
Around that bend.
I
think it's worth a gander for sure.
Huh?
I think it's worth a gander for sure.
Yeah.
Like I said, I just think.
Really. Down here.
I just think the last little.
Term, I think we messed up.
Yeah, I think so too.
Well, I think if we would have stayed down here and just grinded it out, I think we probably could have got our fin.
I think so too. And I think our 4th one would have been bigger.
Oh yeah.
Like I don't think we would have weighed in the spot. But that's the thing about fishing, you gotta gamble.
Yeah, I know we could have gone up there and caught a bunch.
There we go. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a spot.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Oh, that's a spot.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure.
Oh my gosh! Look at that sucker.
That's
So
a chunk right there.
We're calling with 2.5 pound spots.
There's you a dang football of a spot right here. That's probably gonna call. We're gonna have to bust out their Apollo on that one. Seeing if he's staying in the boat or if he's rolling out. All right, little midday score tracker alert. What we got, Mr. Orman?
We got 3 fish for about 8 pounds right now.
What's we're waiting for small fish.
Small fish right now, 2 16 spotted bass.
Yes, sir. Hopefully we can go up north and catch one right at 12 inches. But I was hoping that spot was gonna be a little bit bigger. It was a chunk of a spot right there. But we're gonna go to the next hole, see if we can't upgrade our bag and see if we can't catch us a little one. Catch y'all then.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, it's not big though.
Well, our trial run is tested something.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, I was right on that tree too. He's fighting like he wants to be something. He's barely hooked though. You think
Oh gosh.
I got him.
I feel it. You're gonna get...
I don't think he's 15, do you? Probably 14 3/4. He hit it like he was something. Measure. Too short, 14 incher. But our pattern's working.
Over there, they're both wearing it.
It had to have been bad juju. Too bad we couldn't have figured that out earlier.
There's one. Got some weight to it. Okay, I think he's very little. But he's coming right through you. Just make sure. Uh-oh.
Now that one might be a contender for small fish. Sucker skinny.
Yeah, he is. I did it. I just said flip.
Yeah, Mr. Spot might be finding a new home.
Oh no. That's so pretty. Oh, no. Ow.
Oh gosh.
I'm sorry. Oh, look at him. That's why he's so long. He's like had a hunt there. He might be.
I think he's longer than the one I just caught, and that one was 14.
Oh, come here, little woman.
Oh, son.
I got a small fish.
Yeah. I'm on scale, see how much he weighs out of curiosity.
If we don't catch a darn spot, you know, a 12-inch spot, at least
Yeah.
I said you had been down in here for a minute. You stink.
He ought to be probably what, 1.5? God, I'm good at guessing. 152.
153.
So I guess Mr. Spot had.
There's somebody just with a dog.
No, what do you like to do? I'm definitely putting it down.
Oh my God. There you go, bud. Ah, barely hooked.
He was just barely hooked, wasn't he?
Yeah. Dang,
He might be a
contender. Small fish. Goodness.
That one was 152.
152. Do not step back. Oh no, he's 14 and a half. Thought you'd make it, bud.
There's still snow on the ground here.
Hum us around. Crap. We're back.
Yeah, so there's everybody and their brother fishing it last time.
I can say good. I don't even see it, but it's fish.
Yeah. Like right around this bend though is where it's.
Oh my God, big one. Fucking big.
Tennessee redfish!
I mean,
Golly.
about big old Tennessee red. Cause I mean,
Get that Carolina rig crankbaits out.
it looks like it's shallow, but it's a little pocket. Right there is a smallmouth one.
Yeah.
That one?
That's 12-inch spot.
Oh, we need the net.
God, buddy, it's skint.
Okay, you got it. Oh, buddy.
I don't think it's a spot.
What is this? Down here fishing Florida grass. It's a largemouth.
Not the spot we need.
Damn. Back up there.
That's gay. I thought that was going to be a freaking
I thought it was
our
too.
spot. That was a good size and everything. But that's right there where he needed to be.
He was when we came up. I never saw him. He passed us.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah,
He might turn to
big.
everything but what we're trying to catch.
I know. Wow. Wow.
Wrong kind of brown fish.
I thought when he rolled.
I did too. When I first saw it was brown.
Hey. Small out.
I guess this is just the place you can just come up here and catch anything.
Yeah. There we go.
You even have that thing moving.
to the sea cat.
Would be doing.
Oh, not bare spot.
See the other one with it? There's one right next to it.
Really?
Yeah.
Not a spotted bass.
Yeah, there was another one that was smaller than it that was swimming right up next to it.
Really?
Yeah.
Easy.
Fired up, ain't it?
Fired up.
That's the smallest thing. Not the slot fish, but.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Right.
Yeah.
That's small fish.
What's leading right now?
Not very much.
Alright, we'll do small fish first.
$1.51 small fish. $7.60.
Was that zeroed out?
Yeah. He ain't big. Biggest one there. $307.
You want your picture of that one? You want your picture of that one? You sure?
You gotta cover it.
Okay. Does he?
First place and big fish goes to Paul and Mark.
They had 17, 14. Don't know how they done, but big fish was 654 technically.
Alright, well y'all heard, we did not win. Them boys dropped a mega bag for this river. That's the biggest 3-fish limit I've ever seen in my life on this river system. So they found them good. We had a feeling that they were biting pretty good for everyone. I think we got 4th again. But oh well, we had fun, that's all that matters. Catch y'all next time.